First, nearest arm over the head, farthest arm across the body, and farthest leg to the nearest leg. And a count of 3, sir. I will put you in a recover position. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sige. Ayun, maliki na italipin. Yes, sir. The baby has been revived.
I will do the recovery position.
Go.
1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Jerome, the baby has been revived. Itahid mo na yan, Mark.
Ganito.
Okay, yung mga adult and child victim, comfort the victim for 10 seconds.
1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Okay, return your victims to the supine position. Casey, while waiting.
While waiting for the ambulance to arrive, I will now do secondary assessment looking for deformities, contusion, abrasion, puncture, burns, tenderness, laceration, swelling,
Or
deformity, open injury, tenderness, and swelling.
Mark.
While waiting the ambulance to arrive, I'll do a second assessment. Secondary assessment. Looking for deformity, contusion, abrasion, burns, tenderness, laceration, swelling,
Letter T.
puncture,
Or
or deformity of the injuries, tenderness, or swelling.
Lisel.
While waiting for the ambulance to arrive, I will do the secondary assessment looking for deformity, contusion, abrasion, puncture, burns, tenderness, laceration, swelling, or deformity, open injuries, tenderness, swelling.
Diana.
While waiting for the ambulance to arrive, I will now do the secondary assessment looking for deformity, contusion, abrasion, puncture, burn, tenderness, swelling, and laceration, or deformity, open injury, tenderness, and swelling.
Jerome.
While waiting for the ambulance to arrive, I'm looking for deformities, contusion, abrasion, puncture, burns, tenderness, laceration, swelling, or deformities, open injury, tenderness, or swelling.
Beyonce.
While waiting for ambulance to arrive, do the secondary assessment looking for deformities, contusion, burn, and tenderness, swelling, puncture, and or
Letter A.
abrasion, or
Letter T.
tenderness,
Or
or deformities, open injuries, tenderness, and swelling.
AC. Pag nag-check ng consciousness, bigyan mo ko ng isang element or consideration. Pag nag-check ng consciousness sa isang child na sinabi mong unresponsive, sine-check mo yung consciousness ng child. Ano yung mga ikino-consider natin? Bigyan mo ko ng isa.
Consciousness?
Nag-check ng consciousness.
Yung answer, yung ganito.
O anong tawag ito?
Aha!
Mark.
Signal din sir yung yung hey, alert. Alert.
Alertness.
Alertness.
Diana.
Sapping, pero kaya voice.
Boy. Zero. Same question. O yung consider natin o isang element na ikino-consider natin pag mag-check tayo ng consciousness sa victim. Sagot na, di ba?
alert.
Nasagot na.
Ilan na tatlo, sir?
4. May 2 pa. Beyonce.
Wait lang, sir!
Ang nangyari ba? Ano ay tama? Rizel.
Check mo yung pulse.
Consciousness.
Conscious.
Pag hindi ka nagkamarka, Rizel, ang isusulat ko dyan is star. Kaya dapat sagutin mo. May clue ka na. Pag nag-check ng consciousness, i-consider natin yung alertness, yung voice, may 2 pa.
Breath. Breath.
Consciousness pa lang tayo eh.
Ikutin mo na,
Ano lang, dali,
Ano lang,
start
sir?
lang. Start
Wait
lang.
lang, bigyan muna natin siya.
Yung pain po.
Okay.
Start!
Galing! Galing sa atin na din!
Bigyan ng star.
Perfect.
Sige na, next Annie.
Yay!
Oo.
Galing!